All right, let's tackle questions 16 and 17. 16, it can be kind of a tricky one. They give you a point on a coordinate grid, and then they tell you that there's a point 5 units away from that somewhere, and that they want to know what exactly that point is. Well, they give you a hint. They say that the x-coordinate of that point is -2. So what that means is, if you imagine this dotted line, so this is our point A, right? And then there's this dotted line along where x is -2. It means our point is somewhere on this line. So let's pick, for visual sake, this point here. All right. All right. Now, what they told us is from A to B is 5 units. Okay. Well, what do we know? From -5 to -2, we know that's 3 units, and we know that this is a right triangle. So what we have to do is use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So remember, if this is the 90-degree angle, this is the hypotenuse, so 5 is going to be c. And a and b doesn't really matter, but I usually make a the shortest one, which is 3. And what you have to decide is, what does b equal? Once you know what b equals, then you can count how far that is up and figure out the exact point. So for example, we know that the x-coordinate is going to be -2, right? But what is the y-coordinate going to be? So whatever your answer is for b, that will be your y-coordinate. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Question 17. It's asking you about graphs, all right? We want a graph that's increasing at a constant rate. So a function that is increasing is going upwards, and increasing is a straight line, okay? So basically, you need a straight line, all right? And it needs to be going up, all right? That's constant rate. If it was a straight line going down, it would be a constant rate, but it would be decreasing. Okay, so this would be decreasing. If it was a curved line of some sort, maybe like this, then that is not a constant rate, right? And if you have something that does more than one thing, like goes up and then comes down, well, then it's not increasing the whole time. It's increasing then and then decreasing. So if it asks for an increasing graph that is a constant rate, it must be some sort of straight line going up.